Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to check out this Christmas market and expo here in which city are we?
Little Geest.
What?
Ja,
anyway,
een bizarre naam.
I'll have the name here somewhere in the description of this video. So what can we actually expect here to see apart from the Christmas? They do have like
This is the tropical garden, and you see here different plants, and they also have here little apes, and they are very cute, and a lot of koi carpers, fish, Japanese fish. Have a lot of orchids.
Oh, I see.
And after that, there's the butterfly garden, and yeah, that's also beautiful to see. So
yeah, well, let's start right away, guys. Let's start right away, and we'll start with the walk through this. So even though it's about 2 degrees Celsius in here, it's very, very pleasant and like a tropical jungle. This is probably like 25 degrees. So it's very, very pleasant to be inside right now. Oh, on the other side. Yeah, let's take a look at the fish. So here I could have like my siesta and be next to the riverbed.
it smells.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Go down at your own risk. Oh boy. Wow, this is beautiful though. Beautiful. Wow. These fish are quite big. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's a big one. They are huge. They are very, very big. I don't know if you guys can see it well on camera, but they are definitely quite big, quite large. So we're gonna head up here briefly and check this part out. Bromelia?
Bromelia, yeah. And they, they get their food because the water is here. That's how they live.
Okay, so the water is there and that's
Food. And
they got their food. Okay, so we cannot go there, but it does look very interesting just to get this view of the place. Wow. This is quite nice. I'm quite surprised how beautiful it is and how large it really is also. I think we have not even walked a half of it, and it's just really nice to see this and to be inside and not be outside with the cold. Is already very pleasant right now. And not a lot of Christmas decoration, but that's mostly with the lights. That's what we have. And we do have these in Aruba. Wow, look at these. No. No fighting. No fighting. Ow! Bye. We are now at the butterfly farm part of this place and checking out some of the areas. It's quite dark inside, but also very beautiful. What is that? Just in time. I can eat by myself, I said.
Eat it.
What an attitude.
I think his name is Dreamer.
That black one is nice.
Happy, happy. Happy?
So even in this cold, we got to see some flamingos. They do look beautiful.